Hello, good morning. This is our group presentation and our module title is Analytics for Operations and Logistic Management. Our module code 7BUS2042. Assignment title Dinoland Museum KPI Analysis. Our module leader is Dr. Obigi Nomdili. This is our group member. My name is Ali Asgar. Thank you.
Introduction. Dinoland Museum operates through three primary divisions: the fossil collection, the natural history room, and the gift shop. Each division contributes to the museum's mission of displaying fossils and offering educational insights. The fossil collection features rare. The natural history room provides visitors. The gift shop generates revenue by selling a variety of dinosaur themed. Together, these divisions act as visitors. Thank you.
Background. Limited budget. Florence has a limited budget which restricts her ability to adopt modern systems or hire additional staff. Outdated spreadsheets. The museum relies on outdated spreadsheets to manage artifacts, stock, and sales. Errors and inconsistencies. These spreadsheets often contain errors leading to discrepancies in inventory records and sales data. Inefficiencies. These inefficiencies hinder the smooth running of the museum and create challenges in resources management. The problems of outdated record management system. The diagram shows a tree-like structure with the following branches. Use of spreadsheets. This leads to errors and inconsistencies. Incomplete artifact catalog. This hinders accurate record keeping. Ineffective planning. This impairs future operational strategies. Mismatched stock levels. This complicates inventory management. Overall, the diagram highlights how the use of outdated spreadsheets create a cascading effect of problems within the museum record management system.
There are two types of data sets which are using to this analysis. First one is sales spreadsheet, which contains daily sales records from the museum's gift shop. Next one is stock record, which focus on inventory details. The next part is key performance indicators, KPIs, which are used to measurable values that help track the performance of and efficiency of business operation, according to Kotler and Keller in 2016. Here we are using four types of KPIs to tracking this analysis. First one is the selling price represents the amount at which items in the gift shop are sold. The quantity in stock gives an overview of the inventory levels of item available for sales. And the final one, the stock selling price is the cumulative value of items sold over a given period.
Dashboard design and insights. KPI are tracked and visualized using chart graphs and numerical indicators. Bar chart are used for the profit margin. Pie chart for selling price by product. Line graphs for sales and stock trend by year and quarter. Detailed product analyzing using horizontal bar chart visualize the buying price for each product in product 2 category. Profit margin by product look at how different product type, plastic, dominoes are performing in terms of profitability.
The Dinoland stock record analysis dashboard is presented as follows. But I won't be able to take us through all the process in order for us to be able to fit into the minute we are given. But we've done some lot of underground work, which I will only show a bit by bit in order for our teacher to understand that he knows what he gave us as the assignment. Here, when I come to my Power BI, in my Power BI already I've had the stock record dashboard. So, and I've also have the spreadsheet dashboard. In these two dashboards, we've already done our modeling and we've published it so that into the cloud data in order for us to make it easy for us. By the time I'm going towards each one by one, it will be more understandable. So in this Power BI now, let me just briefly show us how we can publish it. When you go to my file, come down to the publish. After you click on the publish, you publish to the Power BI. From there, it will take us to the workplace, which I don't really want to go because it will overwrite my previous program that I've saved. That's what we did. We did it both for the spreadsheet of sales and the stock record of sales. So in my iCloud, which I have my URL, it has been saved into my URL. This is the URL of the spreadsheet of the sale, and the other one is the stock record of the sale. Now If you go back to our presentation, which is the PowerPoint, all we have to do is that we have our PowerPoint being prepared already for the presentation, which all the team members are speak all about. All we have to do is that we go to the insert. When you go to the insert, already I have mine in the heading already. So it's something I can easily click. But if I did not add it in the heading, I have to go to the get heading, which I have to bring it down to my heading. Now, so far we can move on to the heading. In heading, you click on the Power BI logo. When you click on the Power BI logo, it will load. When it loads, it will give a Power BI margin. Then it gives us a chance in order for us to copy our stock record and also in the stock record, which has already been provided, has been copied and it has been opened recently. So I can easily bring a stock record from the URL. If I bring a stock record from the URL like this and copy, after I copy it, I will come back to the insert. This is the insert. In the insert, I put it in the insert, then I insert, which will show me the Power BI. While it's loading, let's work on the other Power BI tool. Let's go to the cloud data where I have my URL for the sale sheet as well. For the spreadsheet as well, I can easily copy it like this and take it also to the PowerPoint in order for us to have our full presentation of the Power BI inside this. So if we are to add title, the first one we put was stock record, which depend on what we want to put in order for it to relate. So now I can go down to my other slide where I have the one of the spreadsheet, do the same, put the inserting button, comes to my heading. When you come to my add in this get ID, I need a adding. In adding, it shows me Power BI. After I show me Power BI, it will give a room for us to paste the URL, which the URL speak for the spreadsheet. So spreadsheet, this is for the second. So this gives us the interface, the interaction between the Power BI and the PowerPoint. But here we cannot start our analysis in order to explore in the interface of the Power BI, interacting the interface of Power BI in the PowerPoint. It gives us a lot of options. There's time you can click after you create your URL, then you come back to the PowerPoint in order for you to explore. So let's take for instance right now, if you want to explore, let's use the Power BI first to explore. By the time I click on it, it will show me my document. By the time I double click on it, it will show me some external feature, which is filter. Why it's showing me this filter is because of I've clicked on the Power BI point. So if I'm to click on this donut chart now, donut chart will give me the filter of on this feature, which we've already take the product 2 in all and the sum of the quantity of product 2. If I want to interact on this now, I can choose that in the product 2 I want to select something different, and I can choose I want to select another different some of the stock. In the another feature, some of the stock, I can easily remove the Dinoland, which will always change my Power BI. I can remove the dinosaur, which will always change my Power BI. I can choose to remove everything, but because of time, I won't be able to explain. Same thing as for others. And the second one, in the second Power BI, I can easily choose the one of the pie chart. If I choose the one of the pie chart, we do the same thing, which actually can show the interaction surface of how the data has been changing from one data to another. But here, I don't really want to show that. What I want to show here is that I want to show the insight of the data. By the time you click under here, you can easily reset your data, which I'm doing presently now. And if I'm not resetting the data, we can easily give the insight of what is happening in the Dinoland Museum. By the time it's coming up now, it's coming up like this. Here is telling me at 257, Meta had the highest sum of what? Highest sum of quality in the stock, which was what? 195. So 40% higher than the rest, which give us the interaction, which are the lowest quantity in the stock. At what the one that have the lowest quantity in the stock was 87, which also have its own interaction as a 21.58%, as far as so on and so forth. It also shows the prices. By the time you are clicking on these prices, it's showing the prices at which they are buying, the prices at which they are selling, and the prices at which the stock we are being given out. If I choose now to remove one, you see the data will change. Let's try it like this. Let's pick this pie chart. If I pick this pie chart now and I decide to remove one element out of that pie chart, now I select all will show. But if I remove the ammonite, it will definitely adjust. If I remove the dinosaur, it will definitely change. So it all depends on what someone wanted to do. That's the only beauty of interacting this page to each other. So in this, we can come into conclusion because the time is not that really enough for us to go in deeper than it. Though data point of PowerPoint in relating to the Power BI is very exciting and is very enlightening, which can give a very good insight of the data we want. So that's it.
The recommendation. The aim of this assignment was to tackle the operational issues encountered by Dinoland Museum by utilizing data-driven insight to improve the museum's business processes. With the help of business intelligence tools, Flores can convert the museum into a more efficient and sustainable entity. Power BI, interactive dashboards, and visualization features have enabled the identification of patterns in sales performance, inventory consistency, and cost-profit relationship. In conclusion, business intelligence has shown to be an essential asset for Florence, allowing her to refine museum operations, optimize inventory levels, and maximize revenue opportunities, thereby ensuring the long-term sustainability and success of Dinoland Museum.
Now these are the reference which we have picked for our presentation or topic. Thank you.